Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write cover letter for job application. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, start with the date on which you are writing this letter. Next, write the complete details of the addressee. Here, for example, I am writing hiring manager's name, company name, and then company address. Dear, write the name of the manager. Kindly accept this application for the write the job title, position at, write the company name, with number of years of experience in, write the name of the relevant field that you are associated to. I am confident in my ability to contribute to the success of your organization. Throughout my career, I have honed my skills in, mention the specific skills or areas relevant to the job. I have a strong track record in, mention your achievements or experiences relevant to the job. What sets me apart is my, here mention your unique qualities or achievements that make you stand out. I am proactive problem solver and effective communicator and a team player who thrives in collaborative environment. I am impressed by, write the company's name, apostrophe S, commitment to, mention the positive aspects of the company such as innovation, growth, or social responsibility. I believe that my skills and experiences align perfectly with the company's vision and goals. Please find my attached resume for your consideration. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications align with the requirement of, write the job title here in more details. Thank you for considering my application. In the next line, write yours sincerely, then write your name.